Hey guys, I was going to do a video on my other zero turn. Well, my zero turn. I need to change the belt for the blades, but it's going to turn into a bigger project because I found some brackets were wore out, so I had to order the brackets. So that's going to be a completely different video. So the wife was nice enough to let me borrow her zero turn and allow me to use it and shoot a video on it. This is the Greenworks Pro 40-inch 60-volt electric zero turn. Yes, I know it's an electric zero turn. Thing's actually pretty good. We've been having it for about a month now. I got it for as well, one as a backup mower because my mower is not getting any younger, and sometimes it's down for repairs. And two, she doesn't like driving my mower because it's a 60-inch Hustler. It's loud, it's rough, and she just doesn't like driving it, so she prefers this one. Now, for an electric mower, I didn't have high expectations, but actually, I kind of like it. Now, talking to people I know, I already got some of the comments about how, the batteries are going to be expensive when the batteries die. No, on this one, that's not true. It uses the same 60-volt rechargeable batteries as the other Greenworks products do, like their weed eaters, leaf blowers, chainsaws, what have you. And these things only run about $125 a piece. A point of reference, this year alone, I've already spent twice that on parts for my primary zero turn. So that's not really that expensive. And overall, it's not that expensive if you think about it, that it has no belts to replace, wear out, no oil or hydraulic fluids that need to be changed or replaced. And, well, it's dirty because, well, we've been using it. It's basically direct drive from the motors themselves. Both wheels has their own motor, controlled by the handles like you would a regular zero turn. And both blades, as you can see, there's one on each side, are directly tied in to the individual motor. Now, as good as it is, I got 2 complaints on it. And one, I really wish there's a way to charge it. A lot of other people's complaining about this too. I really wish there was a way to charge the batteries while they're still in the mower, because I gotta take each one of these batteries out, put it in the double charger, charge them, and bring them back to it. That's not that big of a deal breaker, but 6 batteries, I think they weigh about, 7 pounds a piece. So it is what it is. 2, this thing is quiet. Too quiet. When I say too quiet, I've accidentally left it on before. You see, you turn it on just like a regular, pretty much just like a regular zero turn with a switch, and it beeps, and it gives you the battery amount. But that's it. You hear this little cooling fan. I've gotten off of it, forgot to turn it on, turn it off, and came back an hour later and it was still running because I forgot to turn it off because it was so quiet. Now, let me go ahead and sit in it so you can hear the blades. Hear how loud this thing is in all its glory. Gonna pull the blade handle here. That's it. That's as loud as it gets. About as loud as a shop fan. But I'm going to set the camera up. Got a little patch of grass so you can see how it is. And I like it for the fact that you don't have to wear hearing protection. It's not, like a regular zero turn, I wear my hearing protection and my earbuds. you know, just because it's loud. But this thing is not loud. But anyway, let me set the camera up and show you it cutting. A couple of things. You have a high and low drive speed that selects how fast the drive will go. You have a high and low blade speed, select how fast the blades will go. You also have lights, which I don't know why, you know, I don't normally cut in the dark, so I probably would never use the lights. That's pretty much it. I mean, it has its timer, and it, you know, shows you how much battery life it got left. Now, I do know, you know, you use all 6 batteries while you're cutting. But when I bought this thing to put on the trailer, they only had 1 battery charge, that Tractor Supply. And that 1 battery in the number 1 slot was enough to get it on the trailer. So, that's what it is. It has 200 pounds load weight in this little space here. And it says it can tow up to 300 pounds. Will it be doing that around here? Probably not. Will it be replacing my main lawnmowers? My main zero turn and the tractor with the bush hog? No, not by a long shot. It's not what this is for. This is for a backup to keep around the house cut and to let my wife cut a little bit, you know, because she enjoys using it. But anyway, let's see. Okay, let me go ahead and say this. I don't get anything for this review. This is just something I got my wife to use, and we enjoy this lawnmower. Greenworks. I have no affiliation with Greenworks. I don't get anything out of this. Hell, my channel is not even monetized. Y'all know that. But anyway, thanks for watching.